Just got finished with the house. Pretty badass. Mother-in-law suite. Nice archway over to the main spot, but let's head in real quick. Let's just walk around what we did. We got a wainscot dining room and a wainscot circular staircase up and down. Shut the garage door for him. Let's do this. All right. Let's check out this room here. Beautiful dining room. Wainscot on the wall, new wainscot all the way around. We ripped off the old stuff to actually do it real this time with a 1/4-inch backer. Last time it was just against the drywall. Let's turn the lights on here. Let's just head up the stairs real quick. Here's the wainscot wall up the stairs. Walking up slowly so you guys can see what's going on here. Got a nice cool little spot notched in the hardwood coming up. Crazy miter going right there, guys. Beautiful chandelier. Hey man, look, there's another Christmas tree up here. Haha. All right, so let's walk all the way down. We're gonna follow the wainscot all the way down to the basement, and we're gonna end the video in the basement. Ready? Here we go, guys. And this was 4 days of work, ripping off the old stuff and doing all of this. This is all flex rubber trim. So it is flexible, so you can mold it and you can bend it easily. So let's head down. Into the dining room. Badass office in here, but he's on a phone call right now, so I'm not gonna interrupt. And look at this, guys. Down to the downstairs. And there are lights down there at the bottom, but the painters are gonna have to paint around it, so there is nice stair lighting coming around the bottom. But pretty cool job. 4 days. 4 days. Peace out.